Hello everyone, welcome back. This video I'm going to show you how to check RAM on Samsung phone easy way. So let's get started. First, take your phone, go to settings. Once you're in the main settings, scroll all the way to the very bottom. Here you can find the device care or similar name depending on your Samsung phone One UI version. Simply tap on it to open them. After that, you can find the memory option. Simply click on it and wait to open the page. After this page is open, at the very top you can see your phone RAM appear. For example, my phone RAM is 8 GB. Your phone is depending what type of your Samsung phone you can use it, and I am use 3.9 GB my phone. You can simply tap on the clean now button and wait to complete the cleaning process your memory. That's it guys, how you can easily check RAM on Samsung phone. If you found this guide will help you, please like this video. Also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.